This is the 7th day of Christmas, and today we're making gingerbread decor. Welcome to the Chic Show. This sign is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be taking it outside and giving it a coat of white spray paint. I'm also going to be using these wall stickers. When I saw them, to me, they just looked like gingerbread house. So I'm going to tear this one off of the backing sheet and place it down onto the sign. I'm also going to be using a couple of these other stickers at the bottom of the house. I will be decorating the star in a few minutes, as well as putting a piece behind the star so it will look like a cookie. But right now I'm going to be using this white puff paint, and I'm just going to decorate the flowers and the house. While the puff paint is still wet, I'm going to take some of these little Christmas candies that I found at Hobby Lobby in the jewelry section, and I'm going to be adding these to different places on the house. The little suckers were from Hobby Lobby in the miniature section. I used a felt gingerbread sticker from Dollar General for the bottom, and I also glued on this small candy cane also from the miniature Christmas section at Hobby Lobby. While the paint was still wet, I sprinkled on some glitter. I'm using this brown foam to cover the back of the star so that it will look more like a gingerbread cookie. I used my IOD Apothecary stamps to stamp on a label and then also to add the words Bake Shop. I didn't like the way that looked, so I painted over it and I added on this Merry Christmas sign from, I think it was from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just painting this with cinnamon paint. Again, using that puff paint, I decorated the star and I added a nice little centerpiece to it as well. More puff paint just to outline the sign a little bit. And then this gingerbread sign is complete. Be sure and check out Brenda and Krista's channel in the description box along with the playlist. For more inspiration, check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.